Hello, little friends. Welcome to another session of Fun Learn Explore. Today we are going to learn about a super fun and interesting topic, measurements. There are many ways to measure length, but today we are looking for measuring length with the help of a ruler. A ruler helps us see how long things are. Did you notice how the ruler looks? Look at this. It has numbers and little lines on it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 15. We start at the number 0 and see where the other end of the thing reaches. That tells us how long it is. Let's look at this pencil and measure it. Put the end of the pencil at 0 on the ruler. Look at the other end. If it stops at the number 4, it means the pencil is 4 centimeters long. Isn't it exciting? Shall we look at more examples? Let's go on a measuring hunt and measure like mini scientists. Next up is the spoon. Where do we start? I wonder. That's right, at 0. First, end at 0, and let's see where the other end stands on the ruler. Any guesses? If you said 12, yes, that is correct. Next up is a TV remote. Now let's put the ruler on it. There we go. Now that the ruler is next to the remote, can we measure how long it is? If you said 9 centimeters, good job, you're fired up. Next up is a book. This book, we have to make sure it starts at 0. And let's see where the book ends. Let's start it at 0. Where does it end? If you said 5, good job. As you can see on the ruler, the book approximately reaches 5. Next up is a pen. Have you ever used a pen before? Let's place it on the ruler. Where do we start it? 0. Now, let's measure it. Where does the tip of the pen end? If you said 13, wow, I couldn't guess that one. Next up is a monster truck. Let's measure it. So put it at 0, we know the drill. And it ends at 7 centimeters. At the very tip of the monster truck, it ends at 7 centimeters. Next up is a toothbrush. I think you guys use toothbrushes to brush your teeth in the morning and in the night. So let's measure it. Get the ruler, start it at 0. How long is the toothbrush? If you said 15, good job. You can see a toothbrush actually measures 15 centimeters. Next up is a yellow Lego block. Have you guys ever played with Lego? I love playing with Lego. So let's put it on the ruler. Measure it. Any guesses, everybody? Anybody? Well, lock them in because the answer is 8 centimeters. Good job, whoever guessed that. Up high. Look at this toy train. Choo-choo. Now let's measure it. Put it at 0. Where does it end? Is it 4? Is it 8? Or maybe it could just possibly be 12 centimeters. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this session. Make sure to like this video, share it to different people, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.